Welcome to Computer Education Unlocked channel. In today's video I will teach how to install and configure Python on Windows operating system. Let's start the video. First, download the Python software. Open the first website. If you click on download here, it will be downloaded. Besides, if you click on the download option, you can download Python software for Windows, Linux, Mac, and unique platforms. But I am downloading by clicking on download here. Once downloaded, double-click the setup file to install. Tick mark on add python.exe to path. Click on install now. Click yes. The installation will start. I will close when the installation is complete. To check whether the Python software is installed correctly, go to the Start menu and search by typing Python. You will see idle Python, which means that the Python software is installed correctly. Besides, I can check the Python version through Python version command in CMD. Then download VS Code. I will open the website. There are separate setup files for Windows, Linux and Mac. According to the operating system that is installed, the VS Code setup file should be downloaded. Once downloaded, open the VS Code setup file by double-clicking. Select I accept. Next. 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 Important here is that among the other options is Add Open with Code Action to Windows Explorer File Context Menu and Add Open with Code Action to Windows Explorer Directory Context Menu. These two options should be ticked. You can tick the Create Desktop Icon option. Next, click Install. It will take some time to complete the installations. I will finish when the installation is complete. Open the Visual Studio application. There is a little bit of setup to do here, like choose to look you want. Just click to next section and click mark done. Next, go to extension option. I will write Python in the search. Although I have already installed the Python software, now I will only install the Python extension. Once the Python extension is installed, select Python Interpreter option must be clicked in its setup. After that, click to mark done. After that, the Code Runner extension should be installed. It helps to run the code. Go to Manager, click on Setting. I will search Code Runner. Scroll down. Code Runner Run in Terminal should be ticked. Then write the code and click the play button to run the program. In this way you can write the code very easily and run it very easily. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon to get latest video updates. If you have any questions or suggestions about the video, please comment.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.